the right hand. So we'll come here and we'll start making this action. Here. So my head's starting to shift over the left foot, over the right foot. Head's over the left foot, head's over the right foot. Head over the left foot, head over the right foot. And you can start to feel over time, as you practice, you start to feel it's like, oh, where is this movement coming from? Where's it coming from? And the more we work on connecting the channels, the sides of the legs, the front of the legs, the back, the front of the body, the sides, the more we work on connecting the channels, we start to discover all of the movements are coming from everywhere. They're all coming from everywhere. It's coming from the feet, it's coming from the body center, it's coming from the head, it's coming from the hand. Let's play with getting a little bit of extra elastic opening and closing on the sides of the rib cage. Stretching into the side of the abdomen, the right side of the abdomen, stretching open, pulling closed, stretching open, pulling closed. Down to the outside of the foot, the ball of the little toe, rolling onto the ball of the big toe. And then let's play with using the right leg to drive us up, and then the right leg also to suck us back down. So the ball of the little toe and the outside of the right leg driving us up, the ball of the big toe and the inside of the right leg sucking us back down. And then again, see if you can feel, look at my body for a sec, that as you come up, this whole channel from the inside of the right adductor all the way up, this little section here just on the right side of the center line, all the way up, that all of this gets stretched open and then all of this pulls back down. Stretches open, pulls back down. Stretches open, pulls back down. So you're starting to gather your awareness into this little segmented tube along the center line. Stretching open, pulling back down. Stretching open, pulling back down. And depending on how you time it, you can get some serious ab work in here, along with that sucking back down with the big toe and the adductor and the inside channel of the right leg. These yin channels on the inside of the right leg coming all the way up to the sternum, and then pulling back down, pulling back down, pulling back down, pulling back down. Relax for a sec. And so you should be able to feel reasonably clearly all the areas on the right side of the body, from the hand down to the right foot, the inside of the leg, the outside of the leg, here along the front of the right side. And maybe you can even start to feel here along the back, the right side, like the right back extensors, all these channels of connection.